Hi guys, balloon decoration are an essential part of create a fun and vibrant atmosphere for any celebration, be it's a birthday, party, wedding, barber show, or even comfort even with PVC trap with you can create stream vibrant bubble decor is both budget friendly and your guests with savor. Create bold decoration idea with PVC tribe to inspire your next event. Balls back deep. Ball valve to back deep can make fast frame, photo zoom, and endure even central price. Use PVC tribe and the frame allow for a stood and customize that even to earth and transport material PVC tribe board cup and type made for stream and bubble step by step bolt or quick framed use PVC tribe and connect the size well depend on how long you want your deep to be. Attach melt need a stream to PVC frame. This will give you a surface to attach the bomb. Add foil paper, fend and arch, Greenland and size of color create depend and design. Those depend back deep can be theme to match frame with baby show to sophistications clap even.